Welcome to this 4-minute meditation reset. Find yourself a comfortable place to sit where you can be undisturbed. If you're comfortable, gently close your eyes. Now call your energy back from anywhere you were earlier today, or anywhere it's still clinging to something in your past. Call all your energy back to you as I guide you through this breathing exercise. Breathing in through your nose and a longer exhale through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose to the count of 4 and a longer exhale through your mouth to a count of 8. And again, in through your nose to the count of 4 and a longer exhale through your mouth to the count of 8. One last time, breathing in through your nose to the count of 4 and a long exhale to the count of 8 through your mouth. Now scan your body briefly for any tightness or tension that's holding. See if you can allow the breath to seep into those spaces. As we scan your body, imagine light entering, starting with your toes, the bottoms of your feet, to your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs, into your pelvis, your tummy. And if there's any tension anywhere, see if it wants to open up, and as you do, let light fill you. Now your torso and all your internal organs, your lungs. Breathe deep. Then your heart, imagine as it beats for you. Let the light fill your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrist, your fingertips, and then light fills your throat, your head, softening behind your eyes, opening your ears, relaxing your mouth, your jaw. Imagining light coming all the way from the bottoms of your feet to the top of your head, filling you with luminescent light. Imagine now that you're sitting with someone who loves you. Someone that you love, whether it be an animal, a place, a tree, a person. Conjure them up and recall how much you love them, how you can pour love to them and receive love from them. See if you can magnify that love exchange, making it bigger, more luscious, more delicious. And then bring to mind something that you're grateful for. Thank you. Now bring to mind something you can acknowledge yourself for, small or big. Thank you. And lastly, bring to mind the energy that you want to pour forth today from yourself to any encounter that you have planned. What is the quality of that energy that you will be? Will it be calm? Will it be joyful? Will it be connecting? Will it be kind? Will it be engaged? Maybe it's enthusiastic. You choose. Now thank yourself for giving yourself this reset.